looking through my videos that I've created for the Gumshoe Tech, and I've noticed an uptick views on my antivirus videos for Linux, specifically for openSUSE, of course. So I know what this is about. It's the AUR issues that are going on. It's about the Arch User Repository, or AUR. So antivirus software is not a reliable defense for the Arch User Repository supply chain attacks, like the Atomic Arch campaign, because AUR packages are built locally on your machine via scripts, package builds, that download dependencies. Antivirus tools usually fail to catch these threats and are considered of limited help for this purpose of catching malware. So understanding why this is the case and how you can protect your system is key. Why traditional antivirus fails for AUR. Behavioral bypass. Attackers often mask malicious commands inside normal build and installation steps, making them like standard system updates, I guess. So there's lack of signatures. The malware often exploits third-party Node JavaScript managers like NPM or Bun during installation, pulling brand new malicious dependencies into that software build. It's like a rootkit-like behavior. Sophisticated attacks can deploy rootkits, EBF objects, I guess you call them EBPF objects, that actually deploy rootkits that actively hide their processes from the system, rendering basic scanners ineffective because you're building that software. So how to protect yourself instead? If you install software via the AUR, and there's OBS for openSUSE Linux that this could happen to. It's really the community consensus, and experts agree that the primary security method is manual inspection. So if you don't know what you're doing, just randomly installing software, antivirus is not going to help you for the malware. You must be your own antivirus. Always read the package build before building or installing any AUR package. Open the package build and read the .install files. Look for suspicious commands, hidden curl, wget, or unapproved NPM or Bun installs. Check your comments on the official Arch User Repository website. Read recent comments from others and see what they're saying. They often flag broken, suspicious, or recently hijacked packages, which is how they found the AUR issues in the first place. User updated AUR helpers. If you use tools like Yay or Para, update them to the latest version. Recent updates provide better pre-installation warnings, checks, and packages visibility to help you manually inspect differences in the package to previous versions. Now, the reason this is happening in Arch right now is that these are orphan packages that bad actors have taken over. So you can look at who the previous user was to the new owner. Did they take it over? And look between all the updates, and this is a lot of work, to see if something has been added that would change the functionality of the AUR package. Use the upgraded AUR helpers. Always use the AUR helpers. Be wary of orphan packages. Attackers frequently target orphan packages, objects abandoned by their creators, because this is easily adopted. Hey, I'm going to take over this orphan package, allowing bad actors to inherit the trust of original applications. So it's not a new application. It's the old one that's abandoned being taken over. If you think your machine has been compromised or want to review your current packages, what AR packages have you installed or updated recently? You do know how to check update logs or reset your credentials. You should look and see if those two questions. I'm not an AUR person. I'm an openSUSE person, but this has the ability to happen on openSUSE OBS or Open Build Services. And Open Build Services is available to not just SUSE, it's other Linux distros that use it also. So if someone goes into OBS and takes over an orphan package, can definitely happen to openSUSE. Tumbleweed or Leap or Micro or OS or Calfa, one of those that relies on OBS. So remember, traditional antivirus is not going to help AUR. It's not going to help OBS either on openSUSE. So you need to be diligent and look at the package build and .install files of packages that you are going to get from the AUR supply chain, like the Atomic Arch campaign. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. I know it's not generally towards openSUSE distributions, but hey, I'm here to help. I have seen a lot of views of my antivirus on Linux videos this week. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.